Medux is a powerful AI toolbox for media tasks, and with MCP, codecs can call those tools directly from the workspace. In this example, we're using codecs to ask Medux to add a logo, watermark to a video, so the whole branding tubo stays simple and repeatable. Let's add a logo watermark to a video with Medux, right from codecs. Medux is the AI toolbox, and codecs talks to it through MCP. So instead of opening another dashboard, we keep the whole workflow in one place. First, codecs checks the video file and the logo asset we want to place on top. Then it prepares a clean request for Medux. Add this logo as a watermark. Here we control the basics: position, size, and how visible the logo should be. For a tutorial like this, we keep it simple and place the logo where it feels natural. Codec sends the files and settings through the MCP connection. Medux handles the processing, so the watermark is applied consistently across the video. The nice part is that codecs can keep checking the task status for us. No manual upload loop, no custom API script, and no switching between tools. Once the job is ready, Medux returns the watermarked video result. Now we can preview it and make sure the logo is clear but not distracting. If it needs a tweak, codecs can adjust the placement or opacity and run it again. That makes the workflow feel more like giving instructions to an operator. Codecs manages the steps, Medux does the media work, and the output stays organized. For creators and teams, this is a clean way to brand videos without leaving the coding workspace. And that's the point of Medux plus MCP. Simple media automation, controlled from codecs.